A dirty garage drives me crazy, but I hate dragging a clunky shop vac around and banging it into my car doors. So I bought the top 5 garage vacuums, mostly wall-mounted units, to see which one actually makes detailing easy and which is just a waste of wall space. I tested suction, hose length, and ease of use so you don't have to. Product number 1, Vacumaid GV50 Pro. Starting with the Vacumaid GV50 Pro. As soon as I pulled this out of the box, I noticed the build quality. It's made of galvanized steel with a powder coat, not cheap plastic. It feels like something you'd see in a professional detailing shop. My favorite part during testing was the hose. It is massive. At 50 feet, I could clean my car in the driveway without even unmounting the unit. The suction from that large AIM-Tech motor is serious, but keep in mind, this uses a sealed HEPA-style bag. That means no messy dust clouds when you empty it, which I loved, but it's really meant for dry messes, not sucking up puddles. If you want a dedicated, professional-grade car detailer that will last practically forever, this is the one to mount on your wall. Product number 2, Giraffe Tools Grandstorm. Then I mounted the Giraffe Tools Grandstorm. Warning, get a buddy to help you lift this. It's nearly 60 pounds and feels like a tank. But once it's up, it solves the biggest annoyance of garage vacs, the hose. You just give it a tug and it retracts automatically like a window shade. No more wrestling with a 30-foot snake. It's a wet-dry vac, so I sucked up a spilled drink and some sawdust, and it handled both easily. I also really utilized the remote control on the handle. Being able to turn it off from the driveway without walking back to the wall is a nice touch. If you have the budget and hate coiling up hoses manually, this is the most convenient option on the list. Product number 3, bissell Garage Pro. Next, I tried the bissell Garage Pro. This one feels a bit more like a standard home appliance compared to the industrial vacumaid. I really appreciated the semi-translucent dirt tank. I could instantly see when it was getting full without opening it. Performance-wise, it's a jack of all trades. I used the blower attachment to blast leaves out of my garage door tracks, then switched the hose to vacuum up the mess. The 32-foot hose is decent, though not as long as the vacumaid. It picks up wet and dry messes, making it super versatile for winter slush. If you want a solid all-in-one system that blows and vacuums without costing a fortune, the bissell is a smart pick. Product number 4, vacmaster 5-gallon. Moving on to the vacmaster 5-gallon. The first thing I noticed was the quick-release lever. Even though it's wall-mounted, I could pop it off the wall in 2 seconds to take it somewhere else, which is a feature the others lacked. The suction is impressive at 5 peak HP. I tested it on some heavy wood chips and it didn't clog. Like the Giraffe, it has a remote control on the handle, which I think should be standard on all wall vacs now. It saves so much walking back and forth. With a total reach of 41 feet, I had no trouble getting to the back of my truck. If you want something powerful that stays on the wall but can move if you need it to, grab the vacmaster. Product number 5, Craftsman 20-gallon CMXEVBE 17596. Finally, I tested the Craftsman 20-gallon. Now, unlike the others, this is a floor unit, but I included it because sometimes wall-mounted units just aren't big enough. This thing is massive. Holding the nozzle, you can feel the 6.5 peak horsepower motor kicking. It has the strongest suction of the bunch. I vacuumed up gallons of water, and the oversized drain at the bottom made emptying it easy. You don't have to tip it over. It also doubles as a powerful blower for yard work. It takes up floor space, sure, but if you are doing major renovation work or have a huge workshop where a small wall canister just won't cut it, you need this beast. It's for the heavy-duty messes. So whether you want the auto-retracting luxury of the Giraffe or the raw, heavy-duty capacity of the Craftsman, there is definitely a solution here for your garage. I've dropped links to all 5 of these in the description box below so you can check the current prices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.